Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! Welcome to another super exciting episode of Cure the Munchies Bastard Style. I think this is episode 32. I don't give a fuck, but cheers, big ears. We're making her a fucking Laker. Woo! Alright. 99.99% of the time when I do a Cure the Munchies video, I whip up a batch of leftovers or I cook something new or whatever. Well, today ain't happening. Today, guess what? We're having a pizza. And hey, you know I always make pizzas and everything, but today, no. Delivery, even though I live in the middle of nowhere. Domino's. My food is not touched after it's cooked in our 450 degree oven. Hey. There you go. Is it a pizza in here? Hey, it's an unboxing. Look at that, it's a double whammy. Welcome to a super spectacular episode of GB's Super Spectacular Unboxing Adventures. Oh no, it's the Cure the Munchies. Here you go, bitches. Pizza, Domino's, sausage, pepperoni, mushroom. Woo! Cheers, big ears. Fuck yeah. Hey, look, there's a pepperoni stuck to the top. Not anymore. But it's a pizza. Guess what goes on pizza? Salt. Doesn't have to be like a homemade pizza. You can put some fucking salt on there. There you go, bitches. Domino's. I live in the middle of nowhere, but Domino's delivers. Fuck yeah. It didn't just get here, it got here about 10 minutes ago. Fuck yeah. Well, that's how I'm curing my munchies tonight. I don't feel like cooking anything, but I feel like fucking eating. And normally I order from a mom and pop place, but I had a coupon for Domino's. 2 large pizzas from Domino's delivered was $6 less than 1 large pizza from the place I normally order from. So, fuck it. Not as good, but hey, it's all about saving money. Right? Oh. Dropped a sausage. That's fucking great. I know it's not what you were expecting, but oh well. I'm gonna eat this whole fucking pizza tonight. Yeah. You're not gonna watch me do it. I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't torture you. That's fucking great, eh? You gotta suffer watching me eat one piece. That's fucking great. Not as good as my homemade pizza, I tell you that. But I'm lazy. I'm allowed. Okay, 1 piece done. Okay, so there you go. I'm curing my munchies. But wait, there's more. What do you mean there's more? There's another one. Come on, you're not having 2 pizzas. Yes! Yes, I do. Fucking hell. Might wake up in the middle of the night and be hungry and have more, but no. This one actually is for breakfast. I think there's going to be another video in this. Pizza for breakfast. Fuck yeah. There you go, bitches. Not 1, 2. Fuck yeah. How about that, bitch nuts? Baby! Woo! Fuck yeah. RTFO mofos. Keep on rocking in the free will, bitches. And drink up like a fucking buttercup. You don't like it? Too fucking bad. Woo! Arrivederci Roma, take it easy. Piano piano.